Hi, I'm Phillip Paulwell, the Member of Parliament for Kingston Eastern Port Royal. I'm the opposition spokesman on energy and mining. All I want for Christmas are many things. I want to see lower energy prices. The former PNP government brought electricity prices down significantly, and today they have doubled under this government. And of course, in relation to energy as well, I want to see the program that we started to introduce renewable energy being restored, whereby Jamaica was the leading Caribbean country in this area. On the mining side, I want to see the reestablishment of the GISCO plant at Alpart to secure over 1,000 new jobs. But I also want to ensure that mining is done in an environmentally sensitive way so that our people can see the true benefits flowing into their communities. Have a Merry Christmas and a progressive 2024.